After the Sun and Moon Guardians' shining performance, all gods, goddesses, servants, and magical beings begin to dance and mingle. God wanders around the beautiful gala, lost and amazed. He eventually bumps into the Moon Guardian, knocking off their masks.
Oh, sorry. Tatsuya.
Hi.
You dropped this. Ka'o kanapoa.
Oh, thanks. Oh, Ochoa.
Can I have my mascot? Moku long jimo tabaku.
Oh, yeah. Here you go.
I'll see you later. Mashinji Icha.
Phone, wait. What are you doing here? Thaw. Phone.
Phone? Whose phone? Link to your phone.
I mean, Moon Guardian.
Yes? Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine. Do you want to go out? Like, somewhere other than here? Kopo-san woshi, mulukal.
Where did you have in mind?
I remember seeing these beautiful crystals by the river as the sun came down. Did you want to come see them with me? Kunja jong mo, ika paje jong jong go. The dunde, the valonu, Kopo-san da kunushai.
I'd love to.
Excuse me? Moon Guardian, sir?
Yes? What is it, my assistant? Morachi.
Tatsuya, don't leave. I don't mean to rush you, but, sir, everyone from Mukino is leaving, sir, and I didn't want to rush you because, you look like you were having, yomo guchi sahai vi, gupo haiteko,
I understand. Gasha. I'll see you later then. Mashinji Icha.
Yes.
it was nice to meet you, Sun Guardian, sir. Je sais, don't jika, don't who.
Hey, remember when Mom and Dad used to take us fishing? Kapunjaka to inya tetsi jape munja.
Gunja Morechino. Yeah, what about it?
Shimorachia. Dio kunjanya tetsi si. Nothing. I just miss them.
Shh, you're scaring away the fish. Shh, John J. Killing, eh? So, how's college so far? Nyati college, John Galaxy.
College is okay so far. College J. College Tata. Okay.
What about girls? Did you see anyone cute? Anyone from me? Kapotamo longo.
Ningmo itu okunya. Deshi kuchipos and for Not any for you, but I did meet someone that I like.
God returns back to college and meets up with a few friends to drop off his things. God then goes to meet with Fong.
Hey, how was your break?
It was good. How about you? Jongtia? Gone?
Mine was great. I told my uncle I'm gay and he totally accepts me. Also, why are you wearing sunglasses? Jongpia, kukaya kedudala dea kumya sine, nahai dea zilijala nichin fuku, tia ochakaha chacha ya.
Because it's bright out. Vi lunu kikine.
But it's cloudy. Dashi yuna pahone.
Okay, and my eyes are burning because I'm looking at you.
No, seriously, take them off. Wahlaima.
No, it's okay.
I want to see your eyes. Kusapa, kalu kamo.
You already know what they look like.
Just take them off. Wahlaima. What happened? Whatya?
Nothing happened, okay? Shimodachi.
Did someone hit you? Did you fall? Are you okay? Kapo whatya? Fuyo nukte mokanda. Lapuya kapo.
Why do you care? No.
Because
You don't get it, Fong. You don't understand my life. You don't know what it's like to have a father who doesn't even love his own son. Kumo ilingsi, hotuchi lukuli. Kochipote ku, uneng dushimbo kya.
At least you have a dad, right? So ya gachi moxi.
You call that being a dad? You clearly don't even know me. Che ilingsi tu.
think I really screwed up, guys. Love. Go auto solo.
What do you mean by that? 어쩌가 할리까?
Because I don't think God will ever talk to me again. Che 가치가 라고 달라.
What happened? 어쩌나?
So I met up with God to ask how his winter break was. I told him about how I just came out to my uncle, but God didn't seem okay. I noticed he was wearing sunglasses and I thought it was weird because it was cloudy, so I took off his sunglasses. And he had a black eye. I was so worried about God, but he lashed out at me instead. Dia kumunjika e kupanu cha edu kusatia tselo vitea tichi chandu tanumale jongli like the one in the.
So, what did he say? Ni harika.
He said something about not understanding what it's like to not have a dad who loves you. Nihaitia kuchipatao take tao ilensi chihluyu.
And what did you say? Có tay đi chả?
I told him, at least you have a dad. Kuhaitia jongdo chimotsi.
That's where you're both wrong. You guys weren't being considerate of each other's feelings, especially you, Fong.
I just wish you could see that I was worried about him. I just got so mad. I wanted to help him, but I didn't know how to. Seeing God like that makes me feel so helpless. For once in my life, I feel like I found something permanent.
Then you should tell God that. Yay, 할리까 또 누마.
I want to, but I don't think he wants to talk to me right now. Che, dashina nichika ndakuta.
Is there anything we can do to help? Pomodachi pe patalikia.
Can you guys tell God's friends about what happened? I want to make sure God's okay. Ba kaya ka japongyu.
You got it. Sir! Stop sleeping! I bring you news! Don't know.
What? I'm back here again? 어쩌 군요 나도.
What do you mean you're back here again? Did you go somewhere while I was away?
Oh, no. I mean, what news have you come to bring for me? Oh, ¿cómo estás, Dachi?
Oh yes! The Hmong people on Earth seem to be in great health. All because of my hard work, of course. But anywho, Earth Guardian is on her way to meet you. She wants to know how you're doing with your new duties. Oh yeah! Mong yon de tên chỉ linh nhớ rong heng, yên yêu vị cũ. Nè tì chứ tế chờ ta tự yếu lần chí có.
Earth Guardian? Who's that? Nia ti chu te kyo. Nia ling tu.
Oh my! The amnesia is worse than I thought. Earth Guardian is your sister, don't you? She presides over the planet Earth, where all the Hmong people live. Eko jinja ka lo lo. Nia ti chứ tế chờ tự yếu có tụ mòn na.
Earth Guardian is my sister? But why does she want to meet with me? Am I in trouble? Nia kutumola. Ocha ni sanjiku. Baya guarachi tsao.
You will be in trouble if you keep acting clueless. She should be arriving soon, so try to be on your best behavior. She wouldn't like it if she knew you forgot about her.
Well, what do I say? What do I even call her? Kumonu hulikyano.
I don't know. All of that is up to you. Kuchipo, ko. By the way, sir, did you meet anyone special at the gala?
Maybe? Why? Were you spying on me? Shipoa. Ocha. Kosha kukala.
Me? Spy on you? Shokoka! I see you every day, and I'm not impressed. Besides, sir, the only thing on my mind, in my eyes, and in my heart is Sky Guardian. She is the second most beautiful being Bu Shou has blessed the universe with. I was the first beautiful being, of course. Ugh, her aura just radiates through your whole being. Doesn't she just blind you? What a goddess, literally.
Okay. Anyways, I met a guy.
You met a guy? What is his name? Is he rich? Con chi linh tư nó. Nếu luôn bề hồ lý chả. Nếu bố môn nhạ.
His name is Dao Li, the moon guardian. Nulumbeya Dao Li.
Wow, and Do Li punya ke thea. Well, does Do Li like you back?
Well, I'm not sure, but I would like to assume so. Kuchipo, kusate, nche ninyenye.
Well, love is love, but for your sake, it's probably best if your sister doesn't find out about your feelings for the moon guardian. She wouldn't be too happy to hear this. Yelling the not yet, got to take a tomo idea, can you don't know? Imi channel share.
Why would she not be happy? Vilika nitya yochi jongshia.
Well, because you're both guardians. You both have duties to tend to. You both cannot love each other, for the sun was never made to embrace the moon in the same sky. Because you to shai sure no, tia, do li, the shai sure li, lu nu puchito luli, the name on te de nu or. It's just how Busho made it. Now, enough talk about love. I must get you ready to meet your sister. She should be here by now. Come along, we must be on our way. Chuchu, có từ một từ tôi cho là umu.
You're late. Có tôi liều lo.
Oh, sorry. Are you the assistant for the Earth Guardian?
Haha, very funny. Don't know, quit fooling around. I've been waiting here for you for a while now. Aren't you gonna give me a hug? Oh yeah, go yo cho lo lo. Cho 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 nào. Có bố của tao con đấy rồi nè.
Who are you supposed to be? Go ho ya ling no.
I am the Earth Guardian. How can you forget what your own sister looks like? Were you just created yesterday? Obviously, I got the brains because
There's a huge earthquake happening in Northern Asia. Remember to keep your temper down. All guardians' emotions are linked to their planets or celestial bodies. Nhiệt tỷ chứa tế khờ, các tổ mô Á Kinh, hoặc cổ tế Asia, trong trong Oceania cực tư.
I'm sorry, Earth Guardian. I've just been feeling a bit lost. Tatsuya, hapenu na, gu jongli gu, nengpe.
What's wrong, Donu? Are you okay? Oika toko. Kopo oika.
Yeah, I'm fine. I've just been thinking about this person I'm interested in. Teavi, gupin tatsa tukunye.
Let's have a seat before we talk about trivial things. Jocha umata.
How can I be of service? Kasaka gupaka lika.
What did you want, Earth Guardian? Kosanadachi.
Just call me Thane, Donu. No need to be so formal with me. Huku ote, kochita huku jongboko. I'll just have air. I'm on a diet. Kuma hokyosu, kusayona kapao.
And what will you have? Donu? Kasahachia donu.
I'll just have the Milky Way. Kusaho milky sake.
Okay, I'll be right back. Majakalo.
So, how are you handling your duties? Gukadinu muligala.
To be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. Teakachi, doko, guchipo, guarachi.
That's because you're too busy doing other things and not focusing on what you should be doing. You still haven't gotten grasp on what you're supposed to be doing. Us Guardians have a special duty to keep the natural order of things in place for all Hmong people to be able to live in harmony. You need to remember that. Vitia, có tư chúa có tây nụ có chúa shi ta lý sư có chỉ ta tao yào có yo chữ tao wo. Bình một số hậu lử chỉnh kén có ba tao kiểu Hmong nhỏ shi hậu sinh có yo chỉnh yon trong khăn đỡ.
The wind around several areas on Earth has picked up. Ma'am, I need you to calm down before a tornado forms. Nhiệt tỷ chứa tế khờ, cho cơ xia cực tù, ý trả một chỗ đá chỗ đủ lọ.
I didn't realize that being the Sun Guardian would require a lot of work. Guchipotea, yonyo, mbonai.
What do you mean? You knew that was the responsibility of being a guardian. Busho told all of us that being a guardian means you always have to be hardworking. You don't have time to fool around, have fun, or fall in love. Cứ từ bao hai tia, Busho hai toko hai tia cho hulu na hiên nhua, nếu chơi cho hulu toko mu oshi dodi, theo mu kiểu kế lu.
Okay.
Good. Now that you understand your role, what was it that you wanted to speak with me about before we sat down?
Nothing. Shimodachi. So, Thay, I was wondering, what kind of person is Doli? Noli ya ituning jongja.
Doli, the Moon Guardian? Well, for starters, he's doing a better job than you are. Don't he? Tu shai kyo lu hui. Hakupoke, nu onu lulu holu, jong chako tashi no. Well, you know about how each of us guardians have our own duties to maintain so the world is balanced? Well, for you, being the sun guardian, your job is to nurture all life on Earth with powerful rays of sunlight you provide. For the moon guardian, his job is almost the opposite of yours. The moon guardian's role is to control the water on Earth. He is also the creator of the mountains that reach up into our skies. Without him, the sea would rage and bring devastation to the world. He is the only one to control the seas and maintain peace in our oceans. And for me, you ask, I'm the one that gives Hmong people a home. Without me, there is no point of having you. Linda lunde te tie tu. Có yon đâu nu, có cho hử yo ba cho ya nhau đâu hồn tie te. Được lý cho hử kê, jo iya li có li ta shi nu sợ.
Wow, I didn't realize that we held so much responsibility. Ocha hai olo, kuchipote pizza holu, monundi mbaunda.
All of our jobs as guardians have great responsibilities. After all, these duties were given by Bushal herself. Each and every single one of us must always maintain our jobs and never stray away from it. That's why I'm always so hard from you and telling you to work harder. Your job is very important. If one guardian fails their responsibilities, the results could tip the balance of the world and potentially end all life as we know it.
Okay, I understand. Kutatala. Dave, do you hear something? Dave, kapono dachi. Whoa, why are you guys in my room? Ocha, nhìn nhau hậu cú hông? Yeah, well, a lot of things happened. Since you're all here, I guess I can just tell you guys at once. So, when I was coming back home,
Hey, are you awake? Kapato shai. Ka, I just wanted to say I'm sorry if I upset you before. I didn't mean what I said. I was just so worried about you and so many things were going through my head. I care about you a lot, Ka. Is there any way you can forgive me? Kusa haidoka dea ku tatsu. Kutsa toka su. Kapojatsi gaku.
I forgive you, but you have to take me on a date first. Gujatsi toka. Deshi, ga yo chukya gumu oshi.
Spring break is coming up. How about I come over to your place and make you dinner? Kuma to tu ka che, oma tu ka na.
What? No. Not my place. It's under construction. Betata ka peluche.
Okay. How about my place? It's not under construction there. J. What the peluche ba?
Fine. I'll see you then.
Yes.
As the two lovers go on spring break, they make plans to meet each other. Fung goes to pick up Ka, heading to Fung's house to meet Fung's family. Fung kyo Ka munji nu che ning.
Uncle, who? This is Ka. Ka, this is my uncle Sufeng and my brother Hu. Dalo, Hu. Tu noya Ka. Ka. Noya ko tu dalo Sufeng tia bila Hu.
It's nice to meet you two. I'm Ga. Zhongxie Don Jine Gulumbe Yo Ga.
Hi, Ga. It's nice to finally meet you. Feng talks a lot about you when he comes home. He talks about how Feng
It's enough, Uncle Sufeng.
Sup, guy? Nice to meet you. What are some of your hobbies? Do you like to fish?
Oh, no. I don't like fishing. It's too boring for me. I like to sing though. Kuchinie nunje, kunye hongo.
What? You don't like to fish? What kind of man doesn't like to fish?
That's enough, Hu. Not everyone has the same interests as you. So, Ga, you like to sing too? Have you ever sung with Fong? Fong is a great singer. Hu, nhỏ tư mà. Ga, có nhẹ hung câu tư lo. Có bộ tông đo Fong hu đô li. Fong kinh hình ho.
Yes, I have. That's actually how we met. Tu hu dola. Tojo u shinji.
Really? Tell us the story. But yo ma. Kaya ko ba tao?
Oh, actually, Uncle, I was gonna show Ga my room. Oh, dalo, Pimushay Kuluhong Onde Joya.
Oh, okay. Dinner isn't quite ready yet, so I'll call you two down when it is. Machito xia. Iple kumahu ne lo no.
Okay, thanks, Uncle Sufeng.
Wow, your family seems so nice. Ka jing ning xie zhong hang.
Yeah, they're all I have left. Gucho Mola, Su.
Oh, I'm sorry. You want to talk about it? Koposa tatsa.
There's not much to talk about, really. It happened when I was little. I was watching TV waiting for my mom and dad to come home from work, and they never did. Next thing you know, I was moving into my uncle's house, and here I am. Tokune, kutakune tezi loche, lochi palo loche, takupoke, kutumunda kutalo nyala.
Kupaka tushia.
It's okay. No need to be sad. Anyways, look at this. Jiotya satushia.
Oh, let me help you. Ye kupaka.
Fong, dinner's ready. Mashallah.
That was awkward. Sorry.
Yeah, I'd like to go home now. Kusamucheo.
What? We didn't even eat dinner yet. Hey, utuchi tana mane.
That's okay. I don't want to make things more awkward than it needs to be. Jiotya.
You're not making things awkward. That's just how He is. Sasandao, He yin zhonglinda.
I said I want to leave. Kuhaite kusamuche na.
Okay, Ga.
After Hu's unexpected and awkward interruption, Feng takes Ga home. As they arrive, they sit in silence, contemplating if they should address the event.
Who's that? Dundayalinka.
My dad. Dad, what are you doing outside? Niyakutsi. Si, ocha kanya dojong.
What are you doing with that boy, huh? Is that your boyfriend? So you went to college just to find a boyfriend? First you quit your job, then you leave like your mother, and now you're having sex with a man? Dad,
it's not like that. Chiyalinda na.
Shut up!
Feng, don't. Ju.
Look at you, weak like your mother. Shay shay, có chạy trong ý giả lấy có nhỉ?
Just as it began, spring break came to an end. Ga and Feng have not spoken to each other since the day Feng dropped Ga off at his home. It is until today, while walking to their afternoon classes, that Ga and Feng get to talk.
You guys can go on ahead first. Nimunde.
Ga, where have you been? I've been looking all over for you. Are you okay? Ga, kanyali jale. Kuntiakatso koche.
I'm fine. Gucci ocha.
But you're a dad. No one should ever treat their son like that. And what did he do to you? Are you hurt?
I said I'm fine. Just leave me alone. Kutu haitala. Sana no gu.
Ga, you are not.
I'm not what, huh? You're gonna tell me what to do just like my dad?
No, that's not what I.
Feng, don't you understand? This is my life. I come home and I'm treated like shit. You may not have a mom or a dad, but at least you have more of a family than I do. Gachi pala. Guluning ke jonglinda. Gatsa chimwanye. Tetsi la. Gaching mo gaching neng. Kuje chimoling tu.
Ga.
Phone. I can't be with you anymore. I'm dropping out of school to take care of my dad. 和新机知道了，我要到 college，现在休苦机。
But God,
You don't have to say anything, Fong. I already made up my mind. It was nice knowing you. I hope that the next person you find will love you more than what I could ever give you. Có chỉ ta harachi, thọ có tu ninh, tòng đây nó, rồi hư có cha cũ.
After their breakup, Fong decides to go home for the weekend. He is greeted by his uncle and brother. However, no one would expect Hu to belittle Fong.
Hi, Phong. Welcome home. Có lẽ sao là
hey uncle. What's wrong with Hu? What's up to Hu?
Give him time, Phong. Hu is just going through something right now. Go set your things down in the room. Moshi hở đâu nữa. Mù có chờ không chia.
Fong, so you're gay? Có nhiệt gì ninh lo? Fong, I asked you a question. How long have you been gay? Từ có bí nhiệt gì ninh lợ.
I've always been gay. 그게 있으냐, 진행.
What do you mean you always been gay? 잘 떠올리잖아.
I already told you. I have always been gay. I didn't just turn gay. 달라. 그게 있으냐, 진행. It's my life. Why do my choices bother you so much? Hey, Linda, 어쩌나?
Because mom and dad didn't raise you like this. How are you supposed to have kids with a boy?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You two need to calm down. Oh shit, yeah.
Was it my fault?
Was what your fault? 헷갈리자?
Was I too soft on you? What
What are you talking about?
Hu, Phong. Stop it right now. I am your uncle. I am still alive and I will not allow you two to fight over this. You two should be lucky to have siblings. My only sibling died. I miss my sister every day. And if your mom was here, she would be so angry that you two are arguing about which sexuality is right. Phong, don't be discouraged. Your brother will come around. He just doesn't understand yet. Just give him time and don't be mad at him. He's the only brother you have. I know he loves you. That's why he's so confused and angry. He thinks he can help you, but he just needs time to realize that you're fine just the way you are. Phong, cho tu xia, để mu nu ma tao tao, cho chỉ đâu nu, cứ bảo tình lưu co, nên đỡ nu tết chỉ, nu sa tia nu ba tao co, để si có yên chỉ ở nhà. Get some rest. Musha.
Okay.
A few weeks passed since Ka and Fong spoke to one another. At the moment, Ka had just come back home from hanging out with his friends. Ka quickly gets ready to sleep for the night. She heard tu to mulunde or Ka thiếp Fong, she to she tha. Ka là cho chế, ba yo mu pu. We return to the Sun Kingdom in the world of folklore. We see Ka once again in the role of Dongnu. By the heavenly rivers, we see that Dohli has gone to visit Dongnu in his kingdom. The two are seen enjoying themselves. Ka takam bo sho mu on Dongnu. Ka tiếp phong nhóm đến thu đây ok ho va Dongnu.
Wow, the river is so beautiful and the crystals are so enchanting. Today na Zhonggaoheng.
They are, aren't they? Zhonggo there.
Thank you for inviting me to your kingdom. 어쩌 갑자기 구독을 발롱.
Yeah, of course. Now come on. I have other things to show you. Chiwakya la umu sailuya.
Wow, I never realized how beautiful your kingdom truly was. Valong nu Zhonggaoheng.
Thanks. Ocho. Ndoli, what does your kingdom look like?
Do you want to come see it? Kapusato shai valong kli.
Can I? You won't get in trouble, right?
Of course you can. Why would I get in trouble? Total na, wachano.
I don't know. Gucci boy.
Okay, let's go. Moo moo.
Oh, mighty Pushao, I have come to speak with you.
Oh my god, you scared me. What do you want? Jota. Go aku jeng na. Achina.
Pushao, kumo lu hai ko? I have come with urgent news. Kumo sasu chinking?
Well, hurry up, girl. I'm trying to get my nails done. Yow. Come on, Achi. Chua.
It appears that my brother Nohnu and Nohli have gotten closer to each other lately and have been neglecting their duties. Because of this, it looks like the sun and the moon in the sky have started to move closer. I fear this may be an omen for an upcoming tragedy. Gutunu Tiendohli Nyo Tali, Jolinga Chionga Zoholu, Jolinglu Tiluli Yoshije Hingla, Che Yomo Thingming.
So, what you're saying is your brother and Dolly are fooling around and not doing what they're supposed to be doing. So now everybody dying because the sun and the moon too close?
Unfortunately, that is correct. Yellow.
So who the hell decided to make it that way?
Bushao, I believe that was you. Tiokone?
So why are you here again?
Because the Hmong people are dying.
Oh yeah, that's right. Why don't you just go tell the moon soldiers? The moon is cold, just like their hearts. I'm sure they'll take their guardian back or whatever.
Are you sure it'll work? Bojongma.
You really gonna ask God herself if her advice will work? Girl, bye. You are dismissed. Yow. I said